In this video, we will learn again to find the resultant of non-concurrent forces. So here you can see that in this bar or beam, whatever it is, there is different kinds of load. One is concentrated moment, keep times speed, concentrated clockwise. Other is vertical 10 keep concentrated force. Other force is 3 keep per feet uniformly distributed load over 4 feet. So what is the combined force, combined effect of this force? So what is the force? So we will calculate summation of force along y direction. So what is my force? 10 keep, 10 keep. It is downward, so I am considering downward positive. This force, how much this force? I can convert this rectangular force into a single concentrated force. So this force will be here 3 keep per feet times 4 feet. So 12 keep, and it is acting at 2 feet. Where did I get it? Simple. 3 keep per feet. I have 4 feet. So total force is 3 keep per feet times 4, 12 keep. Where it will be working? At the center, at the centroid of a rectangle. It is 4 feet, so this will be 2 feet. So I can assume this. Okay, so first force done 10, then this force is 12. So 12 keep. If I sum up, I am getting 22 keep. So this is my resultant force. Now you can ask me a question, why I did not consider 50 keep feet. Again, 50 keep feet is a moment, it is not a force. So I am taking the summation of force, the resultant. The question is asking what is the resultant force. So I consider the force only. In a farm, if there are many goat and sheep and cows, if you count the goat, count only goat. Do not count the cows or sheep. So I am counting here my force only. I will not consider my moment. So this is the resultant force. Now where this resultant force is acting, I do not know. Let us assume somewhere that it is acting somewhere here. That is my resultant force, 22 keep. What is the distance? Say assume it is x. How to find it? Moment produced by all the forces is equal to moment produced by the resultant. So moment produced by all the forces. So now we are taking moment. So this is 50 keep per feet clockwise. So I should consider it now. 50 keep feet is my first moment. Second is this one, 10 keep times 8 feet. 8 feet. This is positive, this is positive. Why? Because both are clockwise. So both are same direction, the same sign. Other is this one. This one will be 12 keep. Distance is 5, 8, 12, 2, 14 feet. 14 feet. That is the total moment produced by the given force. It must be equal to moment produced by the resultant. So moment produced by the resultant is 22 keep times my x. Now you can see that sometimes I write KIP, sometimes I write K. Actually it is a very common to write K for K. You know that we are very lazy. We do not want to write the entire thing. So actually K means keep. I don't know why I do that. Even not only me, in engineering community, most of the people they use this way. Even sometimes we do not write feet, we write say this symbol, feet symbol, 1 dash. So it is a common. So you have to be familiar with this. Okay, this time I consider the moment because it is a moment. So okay, so 50 plus 80 plus I do not know, hopefully 170, 80 something, 168 equals 22x. So 50, 80, 168 is to 98 equal 22x, or 22x is 298, or x is 298 by 22. We got, so x is 13.5 feet. So we got x is we got this value, we got 13.5 feet. We got this number. That means if I remove all the forces, all the moment, and replace by 20 kip, and it will act at 13.5 feet. So that is how to find the resultant of non-concurrent force. Now you can think about it. At the beginning, when I took the force, I did not consider the moment. I took the force only. So how the effect of moment will be considered? It is considered here. That means I cannot consider this moment when I took the force. So my force was small. Then my distance is becoming larger. If the force is not here, my resultant will act maybe somewhere closer, maybe closer. As I have this, it will be far away. So this is another example to find resultant of non-concurrent force. So in your book there are more examples. Practice this, then hopefully you will understand. So the calculation, again I do it very quickly. Do not, if there is any calculation mistake, please excuse me. Concept is here. Okay, thank you.